Okay. So the next question is 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 3. 2x minus 3y minus z is equal to minus 3. X plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. Using Cramer's method. The Cramer's method is also called as the determinant method. So first you can write that the given question is, what is the given question? So given that 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 3. 2x minus 3y minus z is equal to minus 3. And x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. It can be written as so what is the form? The form is equal to ax is equal to b. So first this system of equations will be converted into the form ax equal to b. So here a is nothing but a coefficient of x. Here what is the coefficient of x here? 3. So written as a coefficient matrix, that is 3, 1, 2, 2, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 1. And x is nothing but x, y, z. And b nothing but a 3, minus 3, 4. So therefore x a, what is a? A is nothing but a coefficient matrix. And x equal to, that is, what is the coefficient matrix? That is equal to 3, 1, 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1, 2, 1. And x equal to invariant matrix, that is equal to x, y, z. This is equal to invariant matrix. And capital B equal to constant matrix, that is equal to 3, minus 3, 4. So first we can find that delta, find delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. So delta is nothing but a determinant of A, and delta 1 is nothing but replacing first column by replacing first column by B, and delta 2 is nothing but replacing second column. 2 is indicating as a second column, 1 indicating as a first column, replacing second column by B. Delta 3 is nothing but replacing third column. The 3 is indicating as a third column. Here we have to take the third column by B. And finally we need to find x. This x is nothing but delta 1 by delta, and y is nothing but delta 2 by delta, and z is nothing but delta 3 by delta. So we need to find this x, y, z. That is nothing but delta 1 by delta, delta 2 by delta, and delta 3 by delta. So therefore, so first we need to find the determinant. Det A, delta or det A, that is nothing but, what is the determinant of A? 3, 1, 2, 2, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 1. This is a determinant. So delta is indicating as a determinant. So here what we do that with that for the determinant expanding of any row. So for normally expand R1 row. So this is nothing but R1 first row, this is second row, and this is third row, and this is the first column, second column, and third column. So we do that expanding of R1. What is the R1 row? 3, 1, 2. So therefore we do that 3 into minor of 2, 3, and here the sign is minus 1 into minor of 1 plus 2 into minor of 2. What are the signs? The signs are plus, minus, plus. And what are the elements? 3, 1, 2. So this is nothing but a determinant. That is 3 into determinant of minor of 3. Minor, what is the position of 3? The 3 is nothing but a first row, first column. Remove the first row, first column. Remove the first row and first column. This is a first row and first column. What we get? We get that minus 3, minus 1, 2, 1. And minus 1 into 1. The 1 is indicating what is the position? The position is first row, second column. We remove the first row, second column, and we get that 2, minus 1, 1, 1. Plus 2 into minor of 2. What is the minor of 2? What is the position? The position is first row, third column. Remove the first row and third column. So we get that 2, minus 3, 1, 2. So we know that determinant of ABCD, that is the determinant of ABCD. What is the basic formula? This is a basic formula, AD minus BC. So therefore, what we get that? We get that 3 into, this is equal to AD minus, apply the formula AD minus BC. We get that minus 3 plus 2, minus 1 into 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 4 plus 3. So we get a 3 into minus 1, minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 7. We get that minus 3 minus 3 plus 14. That is 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is nothing but 8. Okay, that is this is nothing but delta. So the delta is nothing but, so first we expanding of any row. So normally we have to take that R1 row. What are the elements in R1 row? 3, 1, 2. So written as 3 into minor of 3, 1 into minor of 1, 2 into minor of 2. And what are the signs are included here? Plus, minus, plus. And this is nothing but a minor. The minor is nothing but deleting the corresponding row and column. And finally the 3 by 3 will be converting into the 2 by 2. That is the ABCD form. Determinant of ABCD nothing but AD minus BC. Apply the formula and finally we get that delta equal to 8. So here we written as a minor. Minor of Aij. This is nothing but delete ith row and jth column. Okay, and next delta 1. Delta 1. The 1 is indicating as a first column. That is replacing first column by B. replacing first column by B. So therefore what we get that at 3 minus 3 3 4, this is a B matrix. It can be written in the first column, and we get that 1 minus 3 2 2 minus 1 and 1. So just we replace that first column by B. And we expanding of determinant in normal procedure is expand R1 row, R1 row. What is the R1? R1 is nothing but this is the first row. So that is nothing but a 3 into minor of 3 minus 1 into minor of 1 plus 2 into minor of 2. So therefore we get that 3 into, what is the minor? The minor is nothing but deleting the corresponding row and column. What is the position of this one? First row, first column. We remove the first row, first column. What we get? We get that minus 3, minus 1, 2, 1. Minus 1 into minor of 1. Minor of 1 nothing but a minor. Minor is nothing but deleting corresponding row and corresponding column. For 1, what is the position? The position is first row, second column. So we get that minus 3, minus 1, 4, 1. Plus 2 into minor of 2. What is the minor of 2? The 2 is for 2 indicating as what is the position? The position is first row, third column. For third column, so we get that minus 3, minus 3, 4, 2. And we have the basic formula, determinant of A, B, C, D, that is nothing but AD minus BC. So then it can be solved. 3 into, that is minus 3 plus 2, minus 1 into minus 3 plus 4, plus 2 into minus 6 plus 12. That is nothing but 3 into minus 1, minus 1 into 1, plus 2 into 6. 12 minus 6, that is nothing but 6. We get that minus 3, minus 1, plus 12. Okay. That is nothing but 12 minus 4. This is nothing but 12 minus 4. Therefore, delta 1 equal to 8. Delta 1 equal to 8. So therefore, here what we do that? We do that minor Aij, that is minor. So here what is delta 1? Delta 1 nothing but 1 is indicating as a first column. Replacing first column by B. And we expanding that R1 row. Then we get that delta 1 equal to 8. And next, delta 2. Nothing but what is delta 2? Replacing second column by B. So that is nothing but we get a written order 3, 2, 1. It is the first column. What is second column? 3, minus 3, 4, 2, minus 1, 1. That is expand R1 row. So therefore we get that 3 into minor of 3 minus 3 into minor of 3 plus 2 into minor of 2. That is 3 into minor of 3. That is the 3. What is the position of the 3? The 3 position is first row and first column. So remove the first row and first column. And we get that, what we get? We get that minus 3, minus 1, 4, 1. Minus 3 into minor of 3. But what is the position of this one? First row, second column. Then we get that 2, minus 1, 1, 1. Plus 2 into minor of 2. What is the position of the 2? The 2 is indicating as a first row, third column. So therefore, remove the first row and third column. We get that 2, minus 3, 1, 4. We get that, that is, we have to do that. Determinant of ABCD. What is the basic formula? Determinant of ABCD. That is nothing but AD minus BC. This is a basic one. And we do that 3 into minus 3 plus 4 minus 3 into 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 8 plus 3. So therefore we get 3 into 1 minus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is nothing but 11. We get 3 minus 6 plus 22. That is 22, 3, that is 25 minus 6. Sorry, 3 into 3, that is nothing but a 9. So 25 minus 25 minus 9. That is nothing but a 16. Therefore, delta 2 equal to 16. What is nothing but a delta 2? The delta 2 is nothing but replacing second column by B. Replacing second column in A by B. So we have to take that matrix A. So delta 1 is nothing but replacing first column by B. Delta 2 is nothing but replacing second column by B. And next we have to find that delta 3. Delta 3. That is delta 3 nothing but replacing third column by B. So we get that. So written as a first column 3, 2, 1. Second column 1 minus 3, 2. And third column. What is the third column here? That is 2 minus 1, 1 can be replaced by 3 minus 3, 4. Determinate. So expanding of R1. Expand R1 row. So therefore what is the elements of R1? 3, 1, 3. So therefore it can be written as 3 into minor of 3. Minus 1 into minor of 1 plus 3 into minor of 3. That is 3 into. So what is that minor of 3? The minor of 3 nothing but, okay, that is nothing but, what is the minor? The minor is nothing but, remove. What is the position of this one? First row, first column. Remove that one. We get that minus 3, 2, 4, minus 1 into minus of minus 1, nothing but what is the position of 1? First row, second column. So we get that 2 minus 3 1 4 plus 3 into minus of 3. So what is the position of 3 here? The position is first row, third column. So we get that 2 minus 3 1 2. So we have the basic formula, that is a determinant of A B C D, that is AD minus BC. So we get that 3 into minus 12 plus 6 minus 1 into 8 plus 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 3. So we get 3 into minus 6 minus 1 into 8 plus 3, that is 11 plus 3 into 7. We get that minus 18 minus 11 plus 21. Nothing but a minus 29 plus 21. So we get that minus 8. Delta 3 is equal to minus 8. So therefore, and we have that. So finally we find what we find that delta is equal to 8, delta 1 equal to 8, delta 2 equal to 16, delta 3 equal to minus 8. We find x. What is the formula for x? X equal to delta 1 by delta. Delta 1 value 8 by 8, that is equal to 1. Y equal to delta 2 by delta, nothing but a 16 divided by 8, that is nothing but a 2. And z is equal to delta 3 by delta. Delta 3, what is a minus 3 by 8, that is nothing but a minus 1. So therefore what are the values? X equal to 1, y equal to 2, z equal to minus 1. So we get that this answer, but whether the answer is correct or not, how to check it? Check or verify. So we have to take that 2x minus 3y minus z, that is equal to minus 3. That means LHS is equal to, what is that LHS? 2x minus 3y minus z. 2 into x, what is the x value? 1, minus 3 into y value 2, minus z into z value minus 1. So therefore we get 2 minus 6 plus 1. Nothing but 3 minus 6, that is equal to minus 3, which it is equal to RHS, that is equal to minus 3. So therefore our answer is correct. Our answer is correct. So this is a method for checking. So first just we recall that problem. This is a question, Cramer's method. The Cramer's method is also called as the determinant method. So first of all, the system of linear equations can be written at the form Ax equal to b. What is the A? A is equal to coefficient matrix, x equal to invariant matrix, and b equal to constant matrix. In this method we have to find that delta, delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. Delta is nothing but a determinant of A. Delta 1 nothing but 1 is indicating as a first column, replacing first column in A by B. Delta 2 is nothing but replacing second column in A by B. That is, this is in A, replacing first column in A by B. Similarly, replacing second column in A by B. Next, replacing third column in A by B. So, and next we need to find x, y, z. X is nothing but delta 1 by delta, y nothing but delta 2 by delta, and z is nothing but delta 3 by delta. So, we have to replacing the first column delta equal to 8, delta 1 replacing first column by B. So, in the first column, what is the B elements? 3 minus 3, 4. And we can simplify, we get delta 1 equal to 8, and delta 2 replacing second column by B. So that is 3 to 1, that is what second column 3 minus 3, 4, this can be replaced. And next, delta 3 replacing third column by B, we get minus 8, and finally we get that delta equal to 8, delta 1 equal to 8, delta 2 equal to 16, delta 3 equal to minus 8. And what is the x equal to delta 1 by delta, y equal to delta 2 by delta, and z equal to delta 3 by delta. Finally we get that 1, 2, minus 1. So we checking either the answer is correct or not. Just we substitute these values in any one of the equation and it will be satisfied. If it is satisfied, it is correct. If it is not satisfied, our problem is wrong. Okay.